Hi, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you guys the vitamin E that we really like. It is the Now E-400, and this is the 250 soft gels. So you get quite a bang for your buck with these. Now, my husband is the one who takes vitamin E. He takes it every day, and it was recommended to him to take for heart health. So he takes 2 of these, which are 400 IU every day. And I want to just give you a look at what they look like. They are pretty small, I would say. I like that it's a gel like this. I don't know if he minds. He's pretty good at swallowing pills, but when I have to swallow a pill, I find that the gels are a lot more slippery and go down a lot easier. I have tried them. They don't taste like anything whatsoever, and they're really easy to take. The Now brand is a great brand, and I definitely would recommend them if you need vitamin E, and that is my point of view.